I took this trade because combination of these two armor, like you can see their body is not up to like 30 centimeter of this armor, and also I can see a strong Maribozu candle here. That means that the downtrend here is very strong. Also, when I see this continuous spinning top and this armor, I know that no, it's coming down. Also, I always say wait for one or two candle before like taking your trade, assuming there is hammer in the chart, but it takes a lot of experience for me to know that okay, this particular candle is coming down. Also, the MACD also lets me know that the downtrend is gaining momentum. Also, this particular third indicator also lets me know that the last indicator also is gaining momentum. I took this particular trade because I actually see this strong Maribozu, and I consider this strong Maribozu to be a strong candle. So after a strong candle, I have these 1, 2, 3 identical candles. So whenever I see two identical candles, I always wait for one or two candles. But in this scenario, the reason why I did not wait for two candles, this identical candle, I need to wait for two. It's because this candle also gave me another candle that looks like these two identical candles. So these are theory look-alike candle. That is the reason why I took it. And this my do it gave me strong candle and one strong and theory weak candle. And also you can see what the MACD is saying, that the uptrend are like coming to the market, but I took my own chance, and with my experience I took down and I won. Took this particular candle because after I see this green doji, no, I mean I saw this red doji, and doji always come first or second. So at this particular point, when the doji comes first, that is the reason why I took it. And also I can see this big maribozu. I dare this big maribozu because this candle is purely overbought, so that is the reason why I dare it. And my strategy, like one strategy that gives me like 80% sure that I'm going to win, his doji, and I took it. And I mean there is nothing complicated about this candle. And let's say this third candle itself did not engulf it, I might even trade it that is going up next, but no long talk. I took this particular candle because I can see a strong Maribozu, and I believe I should have done on 12 now. Maybe this should be my 12 5. After 5, I'm going to have 1 2 5 12. So probably I've been taking the trade from here, and the reason why I've been taking the trade from here is that I see this three identical candle in my, like you guys can see like what happened here. One Maribozu, three identical candle, three identical candle. The next one gave us red, but in this scenario, because the downtrend is very strong, that is the reason why they keep giving me down until then I gave me one green here. So let's just say it is what happened here. I actually want to follow here, and they shanked me, but with the help of Martingale, I'm able to recover all my money. So if you guys find yourself in this scenario, the moment you see this three identical candle, if you have enough martingale, I'm going to advise you to enter the trade. But if you did not have enough martingale, just wait for another one or two candles. So before you take 1 to 5, you are going to like win the trade. This particular candle, I took it because of this red doji. I don't think I need to explain anything about doji because I said it in the first or second chart. Like immediately I see this red doji, and the reason why I took this doji is that you guys can see that the red doji here is also strong because this downtrend tried to bring the candle up to this point before the uptrend now take it back here. And when the uptrend self take it back here, you see that it did not really break this particular wick. That is the reason why it gave us this doji. And when they give me this doji, I trade that is coming down. And firstly, the candle reaches this point before it comes down, and I won the trade. Probably I'm going to admit that I'm drunk for taking this particular trade because I don't know what I see that makes me take this trade. Let me just agree that I'm drunk because at the moment I can't even analyze the nonsense I took at the moment. Why? I don't know. I took this particular trade first, and remember I said I don't know why I actually took this trade. Maybe probably because of Martingale, because I see 5 here, I don't know. But in this scenario, I took that. I'm going to say I took this particular trade because I did see this continuous spinning top, a strong candle. This might be either hammer or inverted hammer because it has 1 week. That is the reason why I consider it to be strong candle. But if it is hammer, I'm going to wait for either 1 or 2 candles. So if I wait for the first candle, I might start my entry immediately. And you can see I have two continuous spinning top, and I can consider it to be weak, strong, weak. And I took the straight, and you can see it's really close. It's really close. I think that's the reason why I prepared my 5 in case the chart did not go my way, and I'm going to like take the next straight. At the end of the week, I'm able to make $250, and I started with 190, so that means I make like $60 altogether this week. And I think that is the reason why I screenshotted this. So let's see placing withdrawal. I'm going to update you how the withdrawal is going to be. That's going to be tomorrow. So if you are new to this channel, thank you guys for watching. I post how I'm growing these accounts day by day, and in this video, with the video on this channel at the moment, you can learn from it. So don't forget to blow that subscribe button for more content. I think I'm really tired, and I'm not really composing what I'm saying at the moment, but I believe you guys understand me more.